At Caterpillar, we take pride in helping our customers find the solutions they need, like H&P. When they needed to maximize their operations value, they worked with us to upgrade selected rig engines with the new Cat DGB Gen 2 kit. The results were impressive, with H&P achieving an average diesel displacement rate of 75% and saving approximately 94,000 gallons of diesel on just one rig within 4,500 engine hours. And that was just one of several positive outcomes.
So we chose Caterpillar decades ago to power our rigs, and today nearly every bit of our iron is powered by Caterpillar engines. The engines are designed for the type of power that drilling rigs require, which is very unique to power systems in general.
One of the things at Caterpillar that we pride ourselves on is listening to those challenges and understanding those pain points to develop solutions. One of the solutions that we have in place today is our DGB Gen 2 kit.
I felt that Cat's been really responsive to our needs, recognizing that we already had a large quantity of quality power generating assets, and to come in with a retrofit that satisfies the customer's need for the future with our existing assets is it's a real blessing for the industry.
For H&P, the DGB Gen 2 kit is more than an upgrade. It's a transformation that has eliminated their need for top-end overhauls and prolonged overhaul servicing periods. By giving drillers the ability to transform their current inventory to address greenhouse gas reduction initiatives, we're also helping them improve their total cost of ownership and deliver operational excellence in both drilling performance and productivity.
We actually have a Cat DGB Gen 2 engine running right behind me. The rig is drilling today, and we're seeing around 75 to 80% diesel displacement, which is just unheard of with anything we've ever seen in the past.
So the Cat DGB Gen 2 provides success on three fronts. It provides a great transient response for the drilling application. Considering we got a high substitution rate, we're providing a more economic rig power solution. And then last but certainly not least, is we've provided a cleaner solution to power your rigs.
Through engineering innovation and client collaboration, we help our customers navigate and excel in the rapidly changing oil and gas industry. By addressing their challenges head-on, we offer solutions like our DGB Gen 2 kit, which features a precise port-injected delivery system and advanced software. This innovative approach allows customers, like H&P, to pioneer the industry and take their operations to the next level without the worry of compromising performance or uptime.
The timing of this product, when it's going to become available, is really attractive to us. So we have a number of engines that we're going to be overhauling this year. Many of those are going to be upgraded to DGB Gen 2 kits. So we're excited to be able to offer those kits to our customers.
One of the benefits that we have is the opportunity to work closely with drillers like H&P. You know, we get to really understand their needs, their challenges, and this DGB Gen 2 has been a great example of really what the collaborative effort between both companies can really achieve.
Improved operational efficiency, reduced fuel cost, fewer emissions. Along with our expert support team, we're helping drillers like H&P find solutions that lead to success. Because at Caterpillar, we're ready to raise the bar.